Yeah, I bet some fresh pill bug tomorrow. I'll see y'all later. Oh my. Somebody lose this? Anybody? That's weird. Pinky toe! Hey, little did I know my life was about to be changed forever. If only there'd been some kind of warning. A sign. Anything. Oh, you're a feisty one. Hold still now. Huh? All right. Where'd you go, you little rascal?
Looking for this. Hello, kronk.
Yzma! What are you doing here?
I live here ever since I was thrown out of the palace.
Huh, weird. Never seen you around.
Haha, but I've seen you, kronk.
Oh, you look good.
You think?
Well, at least you're not a cat anymore. Except for that.
Yes. An unfortunate side effect of our last escapade together.
Yeah, good times. When you drank that potion, turned you into a cat? Who'd have thought, huh? Hey, it was a pink one, just like this.
Don't touch the pink one! It's cough medicine.
Well, hope you get to feeling better. I'd love to stay and reminisce, but...
I've been watching you, kronk.
Yeah. Oh!
And I have a proposition for you. A business proposition.
Oh, whoa!
You see, kronk, I'm